sister.
I want to cover my... Here we go. Yeah! Okay, stay calm.
You called it.
Okay. He is definitely confused. He thinks I'm a cicada. We're on the WB&A Trail in Maryland in search for Brood X. We can hear them in the distance. The ground has reached that 64 degrees that makes them stretch, look for love, and begin the life cycle again. Let's go check this out. It's going to be fun. You can hear the cicadas in the distance.
I think they're up in those treetops.
That's actually their love call for other cicadas. They mate. The female goes up into a tree, lays her eggs. A few weeks later, babies drop down to the ground. 17 years later, boom, start the life cycle again with wings. Hear that? Is that?
Yeah, that's them.
Ooh, I saw a cicada.
Yeah, there's another one there in the street.
Here we go.
Woo! I think she found one.
One hit me and it was like a pinball. Bing, bing, bing.
It's a cicada alley.
You hear that? Cicada alley. We're at the right spot. Oh, here, yeah, you getting a friend.
Huh?
I guess it's like bar hopping.
One
What?
just went flying right by my leg.
All right, I'm going to try to
It's
call
like
them.
bar hopping. Flying all around you, but they aren't
All right,
interested.
I want to cover my... Here we go. Yeah! Okay, stay calm.
You called it.
Okay. He is definitely confused. He thinks I'm a cicada. So, here's the thing. They don't harm you. They're actually beautiful. And I think he has a crush on me. And I actually am the cicada whisperer.
Evidently.
The cicada whisperer.
Good job.
Thank you.
We did what we came here to do. Let's see. Cicadas.
Let me take a picture from... Oh my God.
He's going higher. He's going to go in your pocket.
Hi. I'm not a cicada. Oh God, Linda, can you help me?
What do you want me to do?
I don't know. Linda,
What am I supposed to do?
I don't know.
You're taking his picture. He wants to come up there.
Okay. I think it's time to say goodbye.
Put him on the grass.
Can you?
I'm not touching him.
Linda, can you please? Linda. Come on.
Oh, he's coming for you.
Okay.
There goes your boyfriend.
All right, that was a little weird. Okay. All right.
This
We
one's
came,
still
we
hanging
saw,
up.
we left.
Oh. Stop!
Can you imagine like hundreds on you?
Oh my God, no.
Where'd that one go?
Let's go back up the tree. Here's one up there. Let's try this side. Not you. Okay. I think if you just stand here long enough, they
I know.
show up.
This is Cicada Alley,
Okay. Whew.
Maryland.
Sweetheart, is that your girlfriend?
cicadas, what an experience. Today was the day to meet with nature. If any of you would like a cicada t-shirt to commemorate this 17-year experience, check out our link below, Ozzy's Easy Wear. So check them out.